should I start a whole nother business or should I just do a DBA, and why should I do either which one? And so that's the question I'm going to answer for you today, so that way you can understand. So the first question is, he owns a business doing pressure washing and he wants to know if he should do a DBA. And in the back days, I would used to tell you that is fine. Yes, that is okay. But here's the deal with some of the, because he also asked for social media accounts. Does he need to do a whole nother site, a whole website, a whole nother phone number? And here's the reason why. If this is would be the really only reason why, if you want to show up in Google Maps, you need to have its own business, its own LLC. You used to do a DBA, but Google kind of knew that you could hack the system that way. And so Google, because it cost you $15 to do a DBA, and Google knows that if they're going to do that, then they won't allow this to happen. So you will need to do a whole new business. And if you want to show up for Google, this is what's going to show up best for you. If you're just wanting to go out there and hang some lights and put up signs, that is fine. You'll be able to get work that way. But if you want to rank for Google, you need your own, it needs to have its own social media pages, YouTube channel, all of those signals to show Google that, hey, this is a legit business. Because the way Google's looking at you right now is it's not a legit business. And yes, you even need to have its own phone number and its own address. If you're not worried about Google, you're not worried about getting your 5-star reviews, which gets lots of jobs and stuff like that, then you don't have to worry about this. But if you want to be able to grow and scale and grow a Christmas light business, it will help you in the end by doing its own business. You can do the DBA and try to get it through Google, like I said in the beginning, but Google is not allowing that to fly as much. And so if you're not worried about Google, I would say just keep going right with what you got. I wouldn't worry about it. I would just say that, hey, that we're a Christmas light business right along with our pressure washing business, and move on. But if you want to start ranking in Google, you want to start showing up in Google Maps, you're really going to have to name that business. I would name that business something like Christmas Light Installers City would be the literally name of the business. So that way you show up in your city. And so that is what I would do. And remember, if you need any Christmas lights, go check out christmaslights.io/lights. And you can find all the lights you need there, and I will help you out in any way that I can. Hope you have a great Christmas season, and I'll see you later.